Alright, listen up. You want to short a stock on Robinhood? You want to bet against a company? Let's go. No fluff, straight fire. Step number 1. Get Robinhood Gold. Period. You can't short without it. It's the cost of entry, understand? Think of it like a cover charge to the real party. Step number 2. Find a stock you hate. Not just dislike, hate. Do your research. See those earnings reports? Dig into the news. Find something that smells like a dumpster fire. Step number 3. Check the availability. Not every stock is shortable. Robinhood will tell you if it is. Look for that sell button and make sure sell order is set to sell short. Step number 4. Place your order. Decide how many shares you want to short. Remember, you're borrowing and selling, hoping the price drops. Set a limit order if you're smart. Don't just market order this thing. Step number 5. Monitor your position. This ain't set it and forget it. If the stock goes up, you lose money. You have to buy back those borrowed shares at a higher price. Watch it like a hawk. Step number 6. Cover your short. When you think it's bottomed out or you're scared, buy back the shares. This covers your short position. You're giving back the borrowed shares. Don't get greedy. Set a stop-loss order. Protect yourself. Markets are unpredictable. You need to know when to cut your losses. Don't be emotional, be calculated.